this is how to open Sway and get into it via Office 365. So you're going to go to usd232.org, and if you go to my site, if you have my site as a favorite, you can actually get there really easy down underneath here. If you just click on USD232 website, it'll rock you there. Then, to get started, I'm just going to go to For Students, and we're going to open up Office 365. And Sway is one of the things right up here. There it is. Okay, so to open, I'm just going to click on it. And we are actually going to not start from a document. You can actually pull open your Microsoft Word this way, but it's kind of a mess. So I'm going to hit plus. And then if it requires you to stay sign in, then you can sign in. So that's how to actually open it up. If you already have one open, it will be right here, and you can just click on it. Okay, and that's how to open Sway.